What's up, guys? Brad and Hannah here.
Hey!
We really hope you're doing well during this crazy quarantine time. Wanted to bring you some information, some value to you guys. We get a lot of questions during a home buying process. It can be really complicated and overwhelming for some people, but as long as you have the right people in place, the right realtor, the right lender, everything kind of goes really, really smooth. And today we're going to answer some financing questions. All right, y'all, so one common thing that buyers are really curious about is how to start. Can they just start hopping in and looking for houses? The first thing you want to do is get pre-qualified. So what is pre-qualified? Pre-qualified is talking to a lender and finding out exactly how much you can go out and search for your loan. How much do you qualify to borrow?
All right, the first bit of advice is to speak to your local lender. The lender is going to pull your credit score during the pre-qualification process. If your credit score doesn't quite meet the minimum number, they have what's called a what-if simulator that's going to pull all the numbers and find out exactly what's needed to get your credit score where it needs to be.
All right, during the pre-qualification process, that's where you're going to find out what your interest rate is, and a lot of times that's dependent on the type of loan you get, which is usually going to be a VA loan, conventional loan, or an FHA. A lot of times, the interest rate is also kind of dependent on your credit score and the expected amount that you're going to put down on the loan.
All right, so in order for a buyer to get approved for a mortgage loan, they're going to need three things. 1, a 1 to 2 year history of employment. 2, verifiable assets to meet the cash to close. This is going to be the closing costs and the down payment combined. And 3, they must meet the FICO requirements. For a government loan, this is going to be 580, and for a conventional, it's 620.
Guys, I hope you found this really informative. We do partner with a lot of great, credible lenders. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out and we'll hook you up with them.
You hold it up, then that. No.
And
I don't remember what it was supposed to say.
all right, so down payment. All right, so let's talk about down payment.
Yay!